welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I have a beautiful, beautiful jewelry reveal to share with you guys. I had a company called MS Blue contact me. So I have already seen their jewelry reviews on YouTube and I was familiar with them and I've always wanted to work with them. So when they contacted me, I was very excited. So I didn't know a lot about the company, but I went online and read a bit about it, which made me more excited to work with them. So I do have a beautiful jewelry review for you. And after that, just a little talk from me to you. Just a little, I don't know, a little pep talk. Sometimes I think we all need a pep talk, and I have needed one lately, and I don't know, I just felt like sharing it with you. So if you guys want to see what I have to unbox and hear what I have to say, stick around. All right, guys, so here is my box, and before I open it, I do want to share a few things about this company. It's a Canadian-based company, and if you go on the website, you can read all about us. You can read about their mission. They're into giving back, and this is all about Moissanite diamonds. And you guys, what I have in this box is absolutely gorgeous. I did take a peek. I couldn't help myself. Because I have wanted to work with this company for so long, and I did write down a few notes to tell you guys. It's called MS Blue, Ms. Blue. All right, that's the name of the company, and I do have a coupon code in my description box, and it's YOTA15. I'll put it on the screen for you guys, but they do specialize in wedding sets, solitaire engagement rings, but they have so much more. They also have earrings, bracelets, necklaces, just about anything that you would need as far as jewelry. And Valentine's Day is coming up. You guys see my background. I love Valentine's Day. Although Keith and I, we don't really do anything except go out. But that's enough. But you guys, I kind of feel like I got my Valentine's gift right here because I can't think of anything that I would love more than what is in this box. So I'm just very happy to work with this company. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and asking me to work with you. I'm just ecstatic. Now, I did take a peek, and I'm going to tell you guys, the jewelry inside this box is absolutely gorgeous. The quality is there. You can just see it by looking at it. Earlier, I mentioned that this company is dedicated to giving back. And they give back to a Canadian foundation. They give back to nature. So there's areas in Canada that has been ravaged by mining. So they plant trees. I think that is such a beautiful thing to do. Nature is God's glory, you guys. Nature is beautiful. And so when I read that, I thought, this is a cool company that I want to be associated with, and hopefully I can work with this company more in the future. But I promise you guys, if you're looking for something beautiful, if you need a pick-me-up, you know, you can love yourself this year at Valentine's Day. Pick yourself out something beautiful, and it just kind of lifts your spirit. If you love jewelry at a very affordable price, because this jewelry will not break the bank, this is the jewelry for you. I absolutely turn down so many offers to work with so many different companies on a weekly basis, I would say. But when I got the email from this company, I was just thrilled. And then when I read this about giving back to nature, I loved it even more. So I love the fact that they give back. I think they give a percentage of every $2 spent. Also, it's a lifetime warranty, and you have a 60-day return window. So I think that's awesome. That's very generous. They have an excellent customer service, and they give back. So what more would you want in a company? I think this company is just fabulous from everything that I read. All right, guys, let me go ahead and share with you what I chose, and it came in this box. And I did take a peek. So here are the two items in this beautiful Tiffany blue color. Everybody loves this color. So I'm gonna go with this one. because this one I didn't take a peek. So this one's gonna be a surprise. This box comes in this wrap. And, oh, before I do that, let me just share with you what's in the box. So there's some goodies in the box. There is a Miss Blue velvet case, very nice. There is a jewelry cleaner with Miss Blue. There is a pamphlet that tells all about their fine jewelry. So you can read the pamphlet. And here's something really cool that I haven't seen any other company do. They give you a ring sizer. That's really cool, you guys. So you've got a ring sizer and you can use it over and over again. And then one last thing. This is the nice touch here, I think. You have a beautiful gift bag to put this in. I mean, you guys, this would be the best gift for Valentine's Day. Just the packaging alone makes it incredible. So it doesn't have to be a girlfriend or a boyfriend. You can gift yourself. So that's what I love. I love self-love, okay? We have to love ourselves. If we don't love ourselves, who else will? All right, that's all I have to say about that for now. But here it is, MS Blue in this packaging, very secure. And I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna open up the box, and here's a smaller box inside of a box inside of a box. And it's white, and it says MS Blue on it. Oh, and it has such a nice feel. You guys, I know you can't tell what it feels like by watching, but this box is so soft. It feels almost velvety. So very good quality packaging. All right, I'm gonna take a peek first. Oh my gosh. Mind blown, mind blown. Look at this. This is an eternity band. Moissanite diamonds in sterling silver, fine jewelry. You guys, it doesn't get much finer than this. I have always wanted an eternity band, and I've waited for 20 years. I've been married to Keith for 20 years, and I don't have one yet until now. All thanks to Miss Blue. So I thought, I'm gonna take this eternity band. So I got to go on the website and pick out something, and this just jumped out at me almost immediately. So I think I got a 6.5 or a 7. Now right now, my fingers are kind of shrinking. I have been losing some weight lately, but it still fits perfectly. Oh my gosh, look at that. I distinctly did not wear a ring today because I knew I was going to come up here and film. And it's diamonds all the way around. It's diamonds all the way around. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I just love it. So, I got my eternity band, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that bling. Bling, bling, baby. Oh, I love it. Let me show you what it looks like in the packaging. So if you were to buy this for your significant other or yourself, here's what they would see. Beautiful, you guys. Look at those chunky diamonds. Moissanite diamonds. Lab created diamonds. And that's the way I'm going to go from here on out, you guys. No more mining, okay? This is the way I'm going to go. I think that lab created diamonds are the new diamonds, and they are diamonds, and absolutely spectacular. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on. Now I will share with you the other box and what I chose. I got a little overwhelmed, I must admit. And you guys, I chose some earrings. So I'm gonna open up this box. And in this box, this one is blue. So I guess the little boxes on the inside are a little different, maybe depending on what you get, not sure. So you guys know that I have multiple piercings, and I was needing some more diamond earrings, and I chose another pair, a little different from some of the ones that I have. Now, these earrings are in this little plastic bag here, so I'm gonna get them out and I will share them with you. All right, Oh my stars. Let me get as close as I can. If you notice, these are more of a cushion cut diamond, and they are surrounded by smaller diamonds. So it's not just a diamond stud. Normally, you know, I wear, and I have some on today, just diamond studs, but I wanted something with a different shape. How well is that showing up? It's hard for me to tell, and I really hope that I can do it justice. These are so sparkly, so beautiful. I love this cushion cut look. That's what I would call it. I'm gonna link the items that I got in the description box as well, so you can check these out. These are a 4-prong cushion cut with the smaller diamonds all around it. I feel like these are more dressy than just your basic stud. So again, here they are. Just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so thrilled. I'm so thrilled with my new jewelry. So if you guys are looking for something fabulous for Valentine's Day for your mother, it doesn't have to be a sweetheart. It could be your sister, anybody that's special to you, and you want them to have something beautiful and fabulous that they can cherish forever, check out Miss Blue. This is the company. You will be very impressed by the website, I promise. So I do have a coupon code for 15% off. It will be in the description box. And you guys, go shopping and enjoy, because I know if you go on the website, you're definitely going to find something that you have to have. In conclusion, I would like to thank MS Blue or Miss Blue for sponsoring this video, for reaching out to me and giving me this opportunity to work with such a wonderful jewelry company that gives back to nature. I love it, you guys. I love it. I'm not really a tree hugger, but I appreciate nature. And I'm just so thrilled to work with this company, so you guys check them out. All right. So for today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a pep talk, because sometimes I need a pep talk, and lately I've needed a pep talk, and I have went through a lot, you know, a lot of loss in my life, as we all do. It's life. But you guys, we have to choose happiness. We have to choose to look at the glass half full, because if we don't, life can eat us up. It really can. Life can be cruel. People can be cruel. People can hurt your feelings. Somebody mentioned on one of my comments, maybe a week or two ago, you're a very attractive woman, but you would look so much better with a nose job because your nose is big. I mean, I could let that hurt my feelings. I could get all paranoid about it, but you guys, I am who I am. And my nose is just like my father's nose, and I would never think about touching it. So I choose to be proud of who I am. I've always been a positive person, but as you get older, the beauty of getting older is realizing that we don't have to sweat the small stuff. We don't have to apologize for who we are. What we need to do is accept ourselves, love ourselves, treat ourselves, as I was telling you with this beautiful jewelry, and choose joy. I'm sure that you have heard the saying, don't let anybody dull your sparkle. You guys, that is so profound. Think about it. I have a lot of sparkle inside of me. I'm getting older. Yes, I am. But you guys, I have a lot of life to live. And on those days where I'm feeling down, I just pick myself back up. Now, it's not always easy, and I'm not coming on here trying to be fake at all, because I have my struggles. I have a beautiful life, but the road that has gotten me to where I am today has to do with the choices that I have made in life. So make good choices. And if you have made a mistake, like I have, many mistakes, you guys, many mistakes, keep picking yourself back up and keep trying and stay positive. Be happy with who you are. And I just wish that the younger me knew what I know now, okay? It is so important to love yourself, because if you don't love yourself, who's gonna love you? right? So Keith was talking the other day, what got me thinking about all this. He said, I've been down and I hope that I can get over all this. Of course, you guys, he's been through a cancer struggle and he's still taking his chemo pills and he's losing his hair, but he's healthy. We're going to the doctor here in just a bit. He's going to pick me up, so I'm going to make this short. But it's been a struggle. But he has maintained positivity. But the thing is, he said, this weather, it's so gloomy and I just feel so down. Wintertime can do that because we're not getting the vitamin D, we're not out in the sunshine enjoying life, we're not out on the boat as we do, or whatever you guys do during the summertime. It can be very gloomy. So reach out to a friend, reach out to me. If you ever need me, I'm here. I appreciate you guys so much, and that's why I just wanted to bring a positive, uplifting message to tell you guys there's always somebody out there who cares about you. And I was telling Dawn today just how much I love her and Winnie and Eva. They are so special to me. And if it weren't for this platform, I never would have met them. We have so many fun memories. And when we're older, we're going to laugh about all the funny things that we did and things that have happened. You guys, it's very important to have someone in your life that means a lot to you, and be sure and tell them how you feel about them. But you guys, stay happy, stay positive. Spring is on the horizon. Whatever you're going through, reach out and speak to somebody. There's always somebody out there who cares. So just, as I said earlier, don't let anybody dull your sparkle. So with that, I'll say goodbye. I'm going off to the doctor office with Keith. I know we're going to have good news. I know we're going to get good news, and be positive. And that's what I'm trying to be. All right, guys, I will see you again in a couple of days. Peace.